Hello friends, hope you all are doing fine. In my last video I discussed about different words of vocab and that words we supposed to use in the writing task too. But today I am going to discuss about how to make an introduction of your essay. I'll tell you how to make an introduction of essay writing task 2 and how to understand the statement of essay. What happens? Normally students misunderstand the statement of essay and they consequently score very less bands. So before commencing, I just want to remind you, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Let us move to the statement writing task 2. The best way to improve health is to do regular exercise. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So firstly we will have to look at the statement. We have to give our opinion. And in another part they are talking about to what extent do you agree or disagree. In the first part, we have to just focus on the words. They are talking about improving health and regular exercise. And in another part, they are talking about to what extent do you agree or disagree. To what extent means how much do you agree or disagree. Do you agree with the whole statement? Do you agree with the most of the statement? Or do you agree with the part of it? So firstly, we will have to analyze it before proceeding further. So guys, let us have a look what information we need to put in our introduction. That is divided into three parts. First one is hook and second one is background statement. Third one is thesis statement. Let us have a look at each part one by one. What is hook? Hook is a statement that has a lot of interest in it. What happens? Reader wants to continue it after having a look upon the statement. So he immediately tries to continue it. And we use this hook statement for many common essays or journal essays, but we never use this hook statement for the IELTS essay. Let me clear you why. Why we don't use the hook statement for the IELTS essay? There are two reasons. First one is that examiner is not interested for your interesting ideas. He will not assess your interest. Whether your introduction is boring or interested, it does not matter for the examiner. And the second reason is that you will not have enough time to spend on the introduction. You will be only given 40 minutes. In those 40 minutes, you have to analyze the statement. You have to plan your essay. You will not have enough time to look for the hook statement, right? Another part is background statement. Background statement means paraphrasing the statement. What does it mean by paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means write it again with the same meaning but using your own language. Normally students what they do, they just only copy the statement, they write the same words in the introduction. And another part is thesis statement. Thesis statement is that in which we write how much we are agree. Basically it is an introduction to the statement. So let us move to our statement. Our statement was the best way to improve the health is to do regular exercise. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here I am providing you solution. The most effective method is developing and improving your health is considered to the daily exercise. So you can form this statement in your own wordings. Instead of using the word way, you can write the word method. Instead of using the word regular, you can use the word daily. So in this way you can form the statement in your own wordings. Another part is thesis statement. So guys, our essay has been divided into two parts. First part is background statement and another part is thesis statement. In thesis statement we are just supposed to give our opinion. So in this essay I'll just give my opinion is that I agree that exercise is the key to health. So should I stop here? No. I should add some another line to thesis statement so that I can complete my introduction. My thesis statement is a good chance for me to introduce my ideas. So I can add another statement over here. However, I also believe that diet also plays an indispensable role. So in this way, I am just providing some another solutions to improve the health. because I am just emphasizing that exercise is the good way to improve our health. But besides that, I am also giving some another solution, is that diet is also plays an indispensable role to improve the health. I hope you have understood this essay's introduction. So, guys, you are just supposed to spend only 3 to 5 minutes on your introduction, and you are supposed to give only 35 to 50 words for your introduction, because you have to spend your another timings for your body paragraphs that I'll discuss in my further video. Thank you, friends.